You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word, very confusing for English speakers because it comes from French. So let's hear how it's said in French first to give you a baseline and understanding of why it's pronounced that way. Bourgeois. Bourgeois. Okay, the S is silent. Now, of course, in English you cannot pronounce the French R that way. So you say bourgeois. Bour, or bour in American English. Joie. Okay, so it's a soft je sound. And then wa, just like W-A. No stress on any particular syllable because that's how French works. Bourgeois. You can't say, you can say it's not really bourgeois or bourgeois. Both pronunciations are essentially correct. You want to stress both syllables about the same amount. Bourgeois. Bourgeois from French, bourgeois. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.